Kamusta mga idol? Sa katatapos lang na laban ng Pinoy na si Jeplex Quirante sa bansang Russia kung saan nakasayaw nito ang pambato ng Russia na si Edmond Kudoyan. Bit-bit ni Kabayan ang ring record na 6 wins, 0 loss with 3 knockouts at ang laban na ito ay para sa WBA Asia Minimum Weight Title. Narito ang highlights ng kanilang laban mga idol, panoorin po natin.
Kamusta mga idol? Narito na ang laban ng ating kababayan na si Jeplex Quirante. Itong ating kababayan mga idol ay may bit-bit na malinis na kartada dito sa Russia na 6 na panalo walang talo, 3 ang tinapos na knockouts. Samantalang itong kanyang kalaban na si Edmond Kudoyan, wala pa itong laban sa professional boxing mga idol. Puro pa lang amateur ang laban nito. Yan, makikita po natin mga idol na lamang itong Rosso sa pagdating sa height. Yan, matangkad po ang Rosso mga idol. Yun. Yun, no? Grabe ang laki nitong si Edmond Kudoyan. Kumpara natin dito sa ating kababayan na si Jeplex Quirante. Yan, isang orthodox po ang ating kababayan. Ang kababayan natin dito mga idol ay naka-itim na gloves. At ang Russo naman itong nakaputi. Nasa yun. Yun, no, grabe. Makikita po natin mga idol na lamang talaga pagdating sa height itong Russo. Yun. Yun. Overhand galing sa ating kababayan. Hindi nga lang tumama pero ayan. Napaswitch na naman ng stance itong Russo mga idol. May orthodox, may southpaw ang yan. Nagsa-southpaw na naman ang Russo. Yun, body shot galing kay Quirante. Yun, nakakalito ang stance nitong si Edmond Kudoyan mga idol. Minsan nagsa-southpaw, minsan nag-orthodox. Ayun. Left hand galing sa ating kababayan. Yan, end of round 1. Dito tayo sa round 2. Yan, jab galing kay Quirante. Yan, bumawi din ng jab sa katawan itong Russo mga idol. Pinupuntar yan itong Russo ang katawan ng ating kababayan.
You don't really see Quirante use the jab too often. He's just backing up there, just giving himself the space, and then he'll look to come back with that
body
right
shot
hand.
galing sa
Didn't quite manage to land.
Russo mga idol, pero nakabawi doon ng ating kababayan.
As I say, in place, cocked, ready to go. Moved in behind the left hand there, but not lead.
Yun, nawarningan si Kabayan.
Kudoyan, I think, just needs to keep him busy with the jab.
Dahil na sa likod daw. Sumakidni ang
be aware of it, because
kanyang suntok.
That's the punch that he goes for.
Ayun, straight galing sa ating kababayan. Tumama yon sa mukha ni Kudoyan. Yan. Right hand galing kay Kudoyan.
Good combination.
Ayun, tinamaan ng straight si Quirante mga idol.
Drew some applause from the crowd.
Yan, body shot galing sa Russo. Yan, Mayweather style na naman ang ginamit nitong Russo mga idol. Shoulder roll. Ayan, nag-switch na naman ng stance itong si Edmond Kuduyan. Ayan. Nililito na nga na yung Russo mga idol itong ating kababayan.
Just as Hadoyan was coming forward,
Papalit-palit ng stance itong
long left to the body.
Russo.
Hadoyan.
Ayun, tinamaan ng left hand
Skirting outside there,
ng
Karanti.
ating
Thought he'd got away,
kababayan
I think.
sa pulang
Felt he was
kababayan
out of
natin
range,
doon
and
mga
then he
idol.
stepped across Hadoyan and managed to collect him on the end of that left hand.
Yan, palitan ng jab. Yun,
And Hadoyan just
tinamaan
trying to get
dun
after
si
Karanti, caused that, and had lost his own
Jiplex
balance. I
Kiranti
think as
mga
he came
idol.
forward, he went over the top of that front foot, really committed to it though, and
Yan,
kept
jab
pursuing his man.
galing kay Jiplex Kiranti.
Things a little
Ayun,
bit
tinamaan
uncomfortable
ng
there
jab
for
mga
Karanti,
idol.
but because his own equilibrium had gone really
Yun,
deep into the final minute of
pinupush
round
ni
3.
Edmond Kuduyan ng ating kababayan pababa. Yun no, dinadaganan para lang matumba.
Looking for the
Ayun,
combination there,
sa
Hadoyan.
pull.
The right hand came firing back there from
Sa
Karanti.
pull ng right hand ng ating
And it wasn't
kababayan
far
mga
away.
idol.
The left wasn't
Itong
far away from Hadoyan
Russo.
either. And if they mix it at that kind of range, that's when this is going to get interesting.
Ayun,
Nice body
body
attack
shot.
there from Hadoyan.
Galing sa
And
Russo
he is
mga idol.
naturally aggressive. You can tell he doesn't really want to keep this on the
Ayun.
outside. He could,
Tumama din ng
because he's
isang
the taller of the two. He's got
right
the greater.
ng ating kababayan sa budiga nitong Russo. Yan, uppercut galing kay Jeplex Kiranti. Yun lang, malayo masyado.
Trying to step
Yun.
in behind that left hand there, Hadoyan.
Tumama ang Russo dun mga idol. Yan, jab
The
straight
final
galing
30
kay
seconds of
Kiranti.
round 4.
Yun, left hand galing kay Kiranti. Nasasalag lang ng Russo mga idol. Yun, bumawi ang Russo. Ayan, body shot galing kay Jiplex. Ayun, tumama yung right hand ni Jiplex Kiranti mga idol. Ay nako, nakabawi din yung nakabawi ang tawag nun, Russo mga idol.
He stances pretty seamlessly so far in this fight. Hadoyan has never really done it in a dangerous position where he's looked like he might get himself into
Yan, straight
trouble.
galing kay
And
Kiranti.
Kirante is just sticking to his task here. When he
Straight
throws
na
that right
naman.
hand, sometimes that right foot comes forward.
Yan, magaling
and
din
round as
itong
it
mga idol.
did that clamp
Russo.
to the canvas, but
Sana makatama tayo dito ng solido
that shape, that balance is fairly good.
para mapabagsak man lang. Ayun, body shot
And
galing
for
kay
Hadoyan, you know where the danger is. You know
Edmond
what the danger is
Kuduyan ng Russia.
in terms.
Yun, katamaan. Ayun, tinamaan si kabayan dun mga idol. Nagkapalitan pero lamang yung Russo dun.
Good defensive work there from Hadoyan.
And body shot galing kay
Moves
Edmond
onto a jab,
Kuduyan.
though, as he looks to come forward there.
Straight naman ang pinakawalan ng ating kababayan.
Come the end of this round, will be at the
Yun,
halfway
body shot.
stage, and Hadoyan is banking these rounds. But it's a competitive fight. Karante is having his say. Good
Yun,
use of the
tatlong
jab
jab
there from
ang
Hadoyan.
pinakawalan ni Kuduyan dun mga idol.
Nice body work.
Tapos nababody.
And then retreats as Karante is trying to beckon him in.
Ayan, bumawi ng isang straight ng ating kababayan na si Jiplex Kiranti. Yun. Straight galing kay Kiranti. Yun, body shot. Ayun, tinamaan ng body si Jiplex Kiranti mga idol. Nako,
Right hook.
sunod-sunod
To the
yung
top of the head
patama
there
ng
for
Russo
Hadoyan.
mga idol. Jab.
I think might be well advised to go down the
Ayun,
to the
tinamaan ng left hand itong Russo mga idol. Magulang din itong ano. Russo mga idol. Ayun,
he felt that was
low
low.
blow galing sa Russo. Ayun, body shot. Yan ang maganda.
And it seems to rile him up
Yan ang magandang i-invest ng ating kababayan mga idol, yung mga body shot.
throw his own right to the body and needs
Pero
to
na,
just engaging at close quarters a little
may
bit
sagot
more,
din
which
yung ano, Russo.
Karate will certainly feel suits him,
Body
but I
din.
don't think
Ayun, tinamaan ng straight
happy with.
ang mukha ng Russo.
And certainly for the spectators, it would be good to see them mix it at that closer range a bit more.
Yun, magandang bakbakan to mga
It's the
idol.
final
Ayan,
minute of round 6.
exchange of jab.
Little tip tap and then a heavier shot to the body, just sinking in that.
Yun, grabe.
hand there,
Tinamaan
Doyan.
sa pulang ating kababayan dun. Malikot din itong ano mga idol, Russo. Yun no, may galaw talaga yung ano, ulo niya. Yan, tinamaan na naman yung kababayan natin. Although hindi masyadong malakas yung mga suntok nitong Russo mga idol, pero sa dami at saka sa puntusan, lalamang talaga itong Russo pagdating sa puntusan. Kasi tumatama
Good
talaga
right
yung
to
ano,
the body there
ayun,
from Hodoyan.
gloves.
And then goes up to the head. Karate
Pag-asa natin dito mga idol,
trying to get
makatama
onto
ng
the front
isang
foot this round,
malinis
trying to make something happen. I
na
think he
suntok
knows that
itong
he
ating
needs to-
kababayan.
He needs to start.
Yun. Yun.
And Karate again just looking to try and step into the center of the ring here. And I think this is more what we're going to see in the fight because
Yun, street.
up until
Galing
this
sa ating
point,
kababayan, hindi nga lang
certainly in those
tumama.
first 5 rounds, we saw him give that ground, willing enough to give that ground, get backed up to the ropes, and then look to just fling in that big overhand right. But I think he realizes that he's got to try and change the
Yan,
play here.
straight galing kay Kirante. Yun, body shot. Yun na naman,
it's
yun
Doyan.
ang maganda.
He finds himself
Yung mga body shot,
feeling those.
titirahin niya to sa budiga itong ano,
And this
Russo.
might suit him.
Kasi malikot.
It could well suit him to have an opponent coming onto him rather than him being the one who has to do the
Yun.
hunting.
Panay din yakap itong ano, Russo. Nasa round 7 na po tayo mga idol. Yun. Yun. Yun ang maganda yung ano, overhand. Sana mapatama niya ng maganda itong kanyang right overhand kasi mataas tong ano, Russo.
That's good movement from
Kaya
Hodoyan.
niyang patamaan ng
Good upper
overhand.
body move, stepping around that front foot.
Yun no. Magaling din umiilag itong ano, Russo mga idol. Yun.
And that's what he likes to do at times.
Yan,
Hodoyan.
tinamaan si
He's just
Kirante dun.
tip-tapping, keeping his opponent occupied.
Left
and then he'll
hook
look to
galing
try
kay
and set that
Kirante,
final
hindi nga lang
punch in.
tumama.
Didn't do it there, but we've
Yun,
seen that a
body
few
shot.
times from him.
Pero nakaganti ang Russo. Ayun,
Good combination
grabe.
there. Lovely fast
Sunod-sunod.
hands from Hodoyan.
Ang patama ng Russo mga idol sa ating kababayan. Yun, oh. Yung jab, napapatango ang ating kababayan sa jab nitong si Edmond Kuduyan. May kamay talaga itong ano, Russo mga idol. Ayun. Straight galing sa ating kababayan. Nako. Nabawian kagad ng dalawang jab. Sapol talaga si Kirante dun. Yun, body shot.
Good body work there from Karante, and then went for the right up top as well,
Yun,
which
may
did make contact. Bringing some good pressure
yun.
here.
May intensyon talaga ang kababayan natin mga idol na pa babagsakin itong kanyang kalaban. Kaya lang malikot. Hindi mo madali kagad itong ano, Russo dito kasi malikot. Yun o. Ayun. Uppercut galing kay Kuduyan. Pero bumawi doon ang ating kababayan. Yan, straight. Galing kay Kirante. Ako, hindi tumatama talaga yung ano.
Nice
Left hand.
combination again there from Hudoyan.
O left hook ni Kabayan. Yun no.
And he's found a
Sumusuntok si
decent
Kabayan ng
groove,
ano.
the Russian, from fairly early in the fight.
Sa
I think from
hangin.
about round 4,
Hindi
5 onwards.
hindi
He's just
makatama
found that bit of
kasi
fluidity, nice turnaround the front
malikot
foot there,
itong
moves
Russo
it,
mga idol.
absolutely, and that might be part of the problem with him.
Ayun,
Puts a bit too much on
tumama yun, no?
almost
Left
everything
hook
he throws, and
ni Kabayan
Hudoyan, I
doon.
think, has been able to read him fairly comfortably.
Yan, straight. Ayun, straight na naman. Galing kay Kirante. Yan. Grabe yung mga side to side movement nitong ano. Itong kalaban mga idol. Itong Russo. Galing.
Touch of gloves between the two.
Maganda yung ano, side to side movement nitong Russo.
And I think we'll just see in this final 2 rounds what we've seen in the fight so
You
far.
know.
There's no real need for Hudoyan to
Akala mo
try and put his
susuntok.
foot on the gas, especially because he's winning
Sa
this
side
fight.
step
And
lang pala.
it would be pointless at this stage to take any unnecessary risks.
Ayun,
Durante will
straight
keep doing
galing
what he's
sa
been doing,
Russo.
particularly since halfway, because the first half of the fight it was Hudoyan who was mainly on the front foot. Durante
Ayun,
was giving
tumama
that
yung
ground,
straight ni
looking to throw
Kabayan
that
doon.
right hand off the back foot. Since the 6th round, we've seen him try and take the center of the ring more and dictate terms as best he can, because he would have known that the fight was slipping
Yan.
away from him.
Malikot
And he's
talaga
done his best on
itong
that score. It's just been difficult
si Edmond
for him really
Kuduyan
to
mga
land,
idol.
and Hudoyan has found the gaps
Yun,
often
ginawang
enough.
ano,
And in these situations,
ginawang
for a home fighter like Hudoyan,
track
you
and
want
field
the
ang
crowd, of course,
boxing
to
ring.
put on an
Tinatakbo-takbuhan.
eye-catching performance, but the most important thing is to win.
Ayan, straight na
For
naman
middleweight,
galing
you
sa
can
ating kababayan.
Move into position for a world title
Yun, no?
shot pretty
Sayang
quickly.
yung
This
mga
gets him
suntok
the
ni Kabayan mga idol.
Asia title. May or may
Hindi
not get in the
tumatama.
top 15 ranking. I suspect it
Dahil
probably
malikot
will.
ang kanya katunggali.
It's possible
Yun,
to
body
travel
shot galing kay
quickly
Kuduyan.
in those lower weights, those very lower weights, because
Yan, gumaganti si Kabayan. Hindi nga lang masyadong matamaan ni Kabayan. Ayun, body shot na naman galing kay Kabayan. Yun, yung mga overhand sana.
you can get to that world title level in fewer fights.
Mapatama niya ng maayos yung kanyang overhand. Ayan, left hook galing kay Kirante. Yun, straight. Jab. Sayang talaga tong ano, left hook ni Kabayan. Ayun, body shot. Pero nakaganti ng dalawa.
Good combination.
Ang kalaban.
Finishing on the left of the body there, Hudoyan, but he's still coming here, Kirante.
Yun, grabe din yung ano, takbo nitong kalaban. Ensayo nito, grabe yung makatakbo. Ayan, uppercut galing kay Kuduyan. Yun, grabe
Good
yung ano,
quick hands there from Hudoyan.
maraming suntok yung binitawan ni Kuduyan doon. Left hook galing kay Kirante. Yun, body shot. Ayun, tumama si Kabayan doon.
Round here.
Last and final round na tayo mga idol.
Needs to avoid
Round
getting
10 na
knocked out,
tayo.
and he's going to win this fight.
Wala pang bumabagsak sa laban na ito mga idol.
But I was talking earlier on about the
Sana
magnitude
lang
of
dito
what
sa
the
round
away
10
corner
makachamba tayo.
brings, and I think Kirante can hold his head up very high here.
Tama,
because
sana yung
he's only had
overhand
6 pro
ni
fights. He hasn't got
Jeplex
anything like the
Kirante.
background that Hudoyan has got. Those 6 pro fights, understandably,
Yun, tumama
he's
yung
only
jab.
winning fights.
Itong
Haven't seen him match with
Russo
anybody
mga idol.
of any
Yun
great
no, side to
ability.
side movement.
But here he's been up against
Pag ganito ang kalaban mga idol, ang hirap
championship
talaga
silver medalist,
habulin.
and he's given a decent account of
Lalo na
himself. He's never been in any
grabe
trouble.
makatakbo.
Neither of these two at any stage of either have really hurt the other.
Nahihirapan si Kirante ikat itong kalaban niya mga idol. Grabe ang likot talaga. Yun no, tinatamaan pa siya.
From Hudoyan, who has just all round had a lot more variety. He's the more skillful fighter of the two. He can switch between the stances. He's got
Yun.
nice reach when he chooses
Jab
to
straight
employ
ang
it.
pinakawala ni Kirante. Ayun, body shot galing kay Kuduyan.
Turns around that front foot.
Pero
knee,
bumawi ang ating kababayan
good
mga idol ng
reflexes,
body
hinges
shot.
at the waist. He's got a lot to him,
Yun no, pinupuntar yan ni Kuduyan ng
and big for the weight too.
hudigan itong kababayan natin. Yun no, grabe. Parang naglalaro lang itong
Good right hand off the
Russo
back
mga
foot
idol.
there from Hudoyan,
Ayun,
and then a nice jab.
tinamaan
Good
dun sa
combination.
kabayan.
He's
Grabe.
looking to finish with some style here. Looks for the
Yun.
uppercut. Kirante
Palitan
keeps
talaga,
going
oh.
forward. Final minute of the fight.
Ayun, body shot. Galing kay Kirante. Ayun,
Looks for the
tumama
straight
yung
left hand there, Hudoyan.
left
Kirante, though,
straight ni
credit to
Kuduyan
him,
dun mga idol.
doesn't take a backward step at any stage there.
Buhos na talaga dito sa last round mga idol. Kasi wala nang bukas. Kumbaga, ngayon na. Sana makatama ng maayos o malinis. Ayun, left hook galing sa ating kababayan. Problema dito, malikot itong Russo mga idol. Panay takbo. Ayun, tinamaan ng jab itong ating kababayan. Yun. Body shot galing kay Kirante. Nako,
Lovely
tumama
combination
din
again
yung
there
ano,
from Hudoyan, the right hand.
suntok ng ano, kalaban.
Just cannoning off the side of the head there of Kirante, who still keeps swinging.
Yun, palitan ng
Right up
suntok.
into the bell here. Hudoyan just catches him, he comes
Ayun,
forward,
and
the
the
bell goes, and Kirante holds those gloves up.
round 10. Ayan, dito tayo sa decision mga idol. Palagay ko malabo tayong manalo dito kasi nasa baluarte ng kalaban. Panay takbo pa yung ano, Russo. Ayun, panalo talaga ang Russo mga idol.